Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will enlighten you about the rural handicrafts of Bankura Bishnupur area. I felt that these craftsmen do not get enough earnings and patronization in spite of their dedicated artworks. If even some of you visit these places and purchase from them, that will be a great encouragement for them and will save these artworks from extinction. Dogra is a rural craft practiced at Pikna, a small village near Bakura. People here earn only selling their handicrafts and hence their economical background is not strong. It is a non-ferrous metal casting using the lost works casting technique. This has been used in India for over 4,000 years and is still used. Dogra horses, elephants, peacocks, owls and religious idols are highly appreciated in domestic and foreign markets. The first task in the holocasting process consists of developing a clay core. A drain duct is left for the wax which melts away when the clay is cooked in oven. Then liquid brush is poured and when cooled outer layer of the clay is chipped off and then the metal icon is polished and finished as desired. These craftsmen produce filigree art pieces through their laborious and time-consuming work. So I would request you to visit Bikna and buy a few items from them as well when you are traveling Bankura or Bishnupur. Don't forget to check out Dogra jewelries which I really liked. Date palm syrup, also known as Khejur Gur, is a Bengali winter delicacy and is well known for its aroma. It is darker in color and softer than sugarcane lager. At first, fresh juice is extracted from date trees itself. Then it is boiled in high temperature and concentrated to produce khejur gur. This is used in various Bengali sweets like rasgulla, sandesh, payesh and various other desserts and confectionery items which are exclusive for winter season. We found this on our way to Pachmura from Bakura and could not resist ourselves from buying a few kgs. And to be true, it was cheaper here than Kolkata. Pachmura, a small village near Bakura, is famous for its unique terracotta artifacts. Terracotta means baked earth and the crafting procedure is true to its name. At first, clay for crafting is derived from fields and is made free from any foreign and hard particles. Then it is placed on wheel and using fingers the craftsmen make potteries. But for terracotta artifacts, craftsmen use their own skills and imagination power. A clay core is developed which is the rough shape and then detailed works are done on it. Then these are placed in high temperature and baked for a long time to make them less porous and durable. Terracotta horses are the most famous item of all artifacts. Other than this, wall hangings, elephants, pin stand, other showpieces, Manusa relics, potteries like bowls, designer tea sets, lamps, wind chimes, jewelry and other religious idols can be found here. We even noticed terracotta conch shells, which can be blown and sounds like original. Just hear it out, you won't find any difference at all. We were surprised to hear this.
ভালোই তো বাজে।
খুব সুন্দর বাড়ি।
সেম এই শাকটাও। Just like Bikna, all the villagers of Pachmora are involved in terracotta work. Even the children are not any exception. And that is why they have earned so many certificates and prizes from different organizations and even from abroad. We bought a few items and jewelry from this village. And we noticed items cost a little bit less at Pachmora than at Bishnupur. In case of dignity among textiles of Bengal, Baluchari comes only after muslin. 200 years ago, it was practiced in a small village called Baluchar in Murshidabad, from where it got its name. Nawabs patronized its rich weaving tradition, but presently Bishnupur and its surrounding places is the only place where authentic Balucharis are produced. It takes almost a week to produce a Baluchari sari. The production process of Baluchari is quite lengthy. Using fiber or filament composing the cocoon of silkworms, beautiful and durable fabric is constructed. This weaving of Baluchari is done by two weavers on a shifting basis. For making motifs, design is drawn on graph paper. Then it is colored and punched using curds. These curds are sewed in orders and fixed in the jacquard machine. Balucharis can be broadly categorized in Resham Baluchari, Minakali Baluchari, and Swarnachari. Swarnacharis are most gorgeous and hence costly. Baluchari thus prepared becomes a sign of aristocracy and attire of status. I found 3 renowned outlets of Baluchari and other kinds of Bishnupuri silks in Bishnupur, namely Kanishka, Anushka and Anubhav, are good enough for shopping. So guys, here you see all the things we have bought from last trip. I mean this trip. We have reached home and let me show you all the things I have bought. There you see the Ektara from Bakura, and these are the Khejur Gur or date lacquer. Then you see the famous lantern of Bakura. We have bought one, and these are all the terracotta, I mean artworks we have bought. Yeah, we have bought 2 terracotta shankhas or conch shells. These are the 2 handkerchiefs, and these are the cotton towels from Bakura. And here you see 2 copper bottles. Now let's move towards this. One is idol of goddess Saraswati and the bigger one is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is sitting on a conch shell, and yeah, there is her owl. So these are from Dogra, and you see how beautiful the Dogra works are looking. This we have bought a set of bowls from Shushunia, and these 2 are the famous Balucharis from not Bakura, it is from Bishnupur. As you can see, this one is like a peacock color, peacock throat color, and that is a more bottle green, not parrot green. It will be a bottle green color. And here are 3 pieces, like each of them are of 3 meters, and Yeah, we have bought them because like me and my Baba, we want something for us. So let's see what we can make out of this. We have bought 3 pieces of Bishnupuri silk. So that's all for this video and thank you.